Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we're diving deep into a piece of cookware that feels as ancient as it is functional, the Chamba 12-inch clay Comal for tortillas. If you're looking to elevate your kitchen game with something truly authentic, something that whispers tales of tradition with every sizzle, then this might just be for you. This isn't just a griddle pan. It's a handcrafted work of art from the Tolima region of Colombia, made from natural, unglazed earthenware. The craftsmanship is immediately apparent. Each comal is made by skilled artisans, using locally sourced black clay that is rich in mica. This composition is key to its performance. Unlike many modern pans, this clay distributes heat incredibly evenly. This means no hot spots, no unevenly cooked tortillas, just a beautiful, consistent warmth that coaxed out the best flavors from whatever you're cooking. The texture and porous nature of the clay are also important. It allows for a gentle release of steam, which is fantastic for keeping your food tender and moist. This also contributes to the natural flavor enhancement that the company talks about. They claim it preserves nutrients too, which is always a bonus. The Comal is designed to retain heat for a long time, meaning you can cook multiple items in succession without needing to constantly crank up the heat. Now, let's talk versatility. While it's specifically marketed for tortillas, its capabilities extend far beyond that. You can roast chilies and vegetables on it, bringing out a beautiful smoky char. Toasting spices is another excellent use, allowing you to unlock their aromatic potential. And yes, you can also sear meats, though keep in mind this is clay, not cast iron, so you'll achieve a different kind of sear. The 12-inch diameter is a good size for most home kitchens, accommodating a few tortillas at a time or a decent portion of vegetables. One of the most compelling aspects of this Comal is its natural and non-toxic composition. It's completely free of Teflon, lead, and any other harmful chemicals. This makes it a fantastic choice for anyone prioritizing healthy cooking. They suggest preheating it creates a naturally non-stick surface, which is a great tip for using earthenware effectively. However, this is a handmade, natural product, and that comes with certain considerations. Because each piece is crafted by hand, there will be slight variations in size and finish. This is presented as a feature, adding to its unique charm and artisanal elegance, and it truly does. But it's something to be aware of if you expect perfect uniformity. It measures approximately 12 inches across, and they mention slight variations of about half an inch are natural. Cleaning is another important point. It's designed for stovetop use and open fires, which is a great feature for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. But it is strictly hand wash only. No dishwashers. This is typical for handmade pottery, as the harsh detergents and high heat of a dishwasher can damage the material over time. So, a little extra care is needed. When it comes to performance, I've found that patience is key with clay cookware. It takes a little longer to heat up than metal pans, but once it's hot, it stays hot. The heat distribution is genuinely impressive, leading to beautifully uniform cooking. For tortillas, it's unparalleled. You get that perfect balance of soft interior and slightly crisp edges. Roasting vegetables on this Comal brings out a depth of flavor that is hard to achieve with other methods. The aesthetics are also worth mentioning. The deep, elegant black finish is sophisticated and rustic at the same time. It's a piece that you can proudly bring to the table. It feels substantial and well-made, a testament to the centuries-old tradition it represents. So, the pros are clear: excellent, even heat distribution, superior flavor enhancement, natural and non-toxic materials, incredible versatility, and a beautiful, authentic handmade aesthetic. It's a piece of culinary history in your hands. On the flip side, the cons are also related to its handmade nature. The need for handwashing and slightly longer preheating times might not appeal to everyone. And the slight variations in size and finish, while a mark of authenticity, might be a concern for those who prefer perfectly uniform kitchenware. It's also important to note that this is not a rapid cooking pan. It excels at slow, even heating, which is perfect for its intended uses but might not be ideal for quick searing tasks where a super high, immediate heat is required. In conclusion, the Chamba 12-inch clay Comal is more than just a cooking tool. It's an invitation to connect with tradition, to cook with intention, and to savor authentic flavors. If you appreciate the beauty of handmade craftsmanship and are looking for a unique way to prepare your favorite dishes, especially tortillas, this Comal is an exceptional choice. It's a durable, healthy, and beautiful addition to any kitchen that values heritage and flavor. Link in the description.